Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a bonnet head pattern for 0 to 3 months size. I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a 4-ply yarn. First of all, we would make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain. Start the first round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is our second double crochet. Follow the same process, make double crochet 3 into the ring, then make double crochet 4 into the ring, double crochet 5, and in this way we would make total of 12 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. I have completed my double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Our first round is completed. Now we would start our second round, make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Then into the same chain 3, we are going to make a double crochet. So basically we have 2 stitches here now in the same chain 3. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch, which is after chain 3. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Then go into the third stitch here, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Repeat the same process of making 2 double crochets in every stitch, and I have completed second round. Make 3 chains to start third round, and this would be our simple stitch without any increase, and next one would be our increasing stitch in which we would make 2 double crochet stitches. So in the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then into the next stitch here we would make 1 double crochet. So here is our double crochet 1. Then go into the next stitch here, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this stitch. Go into the next one, make double crochet 1, and in this way we would repeat 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet pattern. Third round is also completed. For the fourth round, make 3 chains, 1 simple stitch, then into the next double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet. This is our second simple double crochet stitch, and then here is our third stitch in which we would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 because this is our increasing stitch. So for the fourth round, we would make an increasing stitch in every third stitch, 1 double crochet in the first one, 1 double crochet here in the second one, and then here is our third stitch again, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end of this round. So I have completed this pattern of fourth round. Now we are going to start our fifth round, make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet. Then we would make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3. Then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and we have 3 simple stitches now. And for this fifth round, this fourth stitch is our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it like this. Then next 3 stitches are simple without any increase. Make double crochet 1 in the first one, double crochet 2 into the second one, double crochet 3 into the third one, and then fourth one is again our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end of this round, and fifth round is also completed. This is the base of our hat, which is approximately 5 inches. Now we are going to make pattern for our bonnet hat. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here. Skip 1, 2, and 3 double crochet stitches, go into the fourth one, make double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, then make chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, because we are going to make shell stitch. This is called our shell stitch. Skip 3 stitches again, go into the fourth one, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, and then chain 2, chain 1. We are making shell stitch of chain 1 pattern. So make 2 double crochet stitches in this same stitch, making a shell stitch like this. Skip 3 stitches again, go into the fourth one, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So repeat this process till the end of this round, and in the end here we have 3 stitches. Basically we should have 4, but it's okay if you have 1 stitch less. Skip 2, and in the last double crochet stitch we would make a double crochet here. Now to make bonnet hat, we are going to work in rows. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work, and we are going to work in chain 1 space of these shell stitches, and we are going to make shell stitch in it. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2 like this. Now go into the next shell stitch, chain 1 space, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2. So repeat this process till the end of this round. And in the end we are going to make a slip stitch, a double crochet stitch in chain 3, which is counted as a double crochet here. So in the chain 3, third chain, make a double crochet, and second row is completed. To start the third one, we are going to work in chain 1 space. We would make 3 chains first. So make 3 chains, and then we are going to work in chain 1 space by making shell stitch of 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet. Make 5 to 6 rows according to your length. I have made 5 rows here, and we are going to change the color for border. I am using a chocolate color yarn now. So make a slip stitch by joining this yarn like this, and we are going to make single crochets on the side of these double crochet stitches of each row. Cut this of white color yarn, and now weave these 2 yarn ends inside these single crochet stitches. Pull up the yarn, pull the yarn through 2 loops together like this to make a single crochet, make single crochet 2 on the side of this same row, then make a single crochet on the side of next row stitch, then single crochet 2, single crochet on the side stitch of next row, again one single crochet. So in this way we would make single crochets 2 times on the side of each row or chain 3, each row stitch or chain 3 till the end here, and from here is our chain 3. We would make a single crochet in this chain 3, and now we are going to work into chain 1 space here. In this chain 1 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, and now we are going to make a single crochet in this space between shell stitches. So make a single crochet here, and then we are going to make shell stitch in this next chain 1 space of shell stitch. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, then make a single crochet in the space between shell stitches. This is our shell stitch pattern completed till the end of this round. Now here we are going to make a single crochet in this double crochet stitch, which is our last stitch. So make a single crochet into it like this, and then make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet of this round. Pull up the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now just weave this yarn end with the help of needle. I have woven the yarn end, and very beautiful crochet bonnet hat for 0 to 3 months size is ready. You can add flower to it if you want as well, and you can use it simple if you want. So don't forget to subscribe to get more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.